Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.1% against the yen in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 1.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.1% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The gold dropped 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Russia has halted supplies of oil to Poland via the Druzhba pipeline, PKN Orlen's CEO said, adding that the Polish refiner would tap other sources to plug the gap. The halt in supplies via the pipeline came a day after Poland delivered its first Leopard tanks to Ukraine. A year into an unprecedented energy crisis that rocked the European Union, officials in Brussels are ready to unveil their plan to prevent customers from facing huge swings in electricity prices in the future. India's foreign exchange reserves declined by $5.7 billion to $561 billion in the week ending on February the 17th, according to the Reserve Bank of India's latest data. This is their third consecutive week of decline in the overall forex reserves.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US durable goods orders will be released at 13:30 GMT. The US non-defense capital goods orders at 13:30 GMT. The Eurozone's business climate at 10:00 hours GMT. Finland's consumer confidence will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's industrial production at 23:50 GMT. Japan's large retailer sales at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.